Do cats spit bones when they eat fish? Come out fishing today to relax. As a result, when I looked back, I saw a bunch of when I squatted behind. Oh, there's another one here. They're all here to beg for fish with me. Hurry up, so anxious. Hurry up and serve the fish. I often work in the Air Force. I still don't know if I can catch fish. As a result, half an hour has passed. They were just waiting for me in the back. I don't know if it's too hot. It's been raining so hard to fish recently. Oh, it's been almost an hour and still nothing. They haven't left yet. They've been waiting. Oops, it's fish. Count the fish. This is good. This is good here. Eat. Hurry up, I dare not stop. The cats are all dogs. Trouble, suddenly there is no fish mouth again. Just like that, I ran and fell. What should I do? This hooer doesn't have a bite. I'm impressed. Got a stick. At this point, they've been waiting for me for 2 hours. I'm really sorry for not serving fish anymore. You're finally here. It's just in time for me. Hurry up, eat more. I'm here. I can't let you wait. What I got for you is not a little golden shield but China's leading export brand of pet food. Low temperature baking, zero spray rejection, and special research formula. 9 kinds of dietary fiber pot flavors. Special edition of goat milk powder imported from New Zealand. Can stand the test of the world. The shit shoveling officer can choose with confidence. Let them replenish the fresh food. Some more fish to eat. Well, it's on the fish again. Here, it's on the fish again. Oh my God, another one. Here's another one. Well, here comes the fish again. Hurry up. Why is it all this fish? For whom? For. Eat. It's time for this one to lie under your feet and wait for the fish. Well, it's on the fish again. This again. Eat it. What does that mean? You won't eat? Give. Eat. It's on the fish again. Okay, this again, here. Get up. What are you doing lying under your body? Get up, me. If you don't eat it, I'll give it to another kitten. Here. I don't eat it. Here comes the fish again. It's all soup. Here. Why is it so fickle? Now I'm eating it again. Oh, another one. So cute. Let's talk about it when the fresh stove comes out. Well, it's on the fish again. So fragrant. Give. This one came back to beg for fish. Here comes the fish again. Give. Eat. Flower fish. Why is it all about this fish? Eat it. Can't stop at all. Eat it and come again. Like a puppy. Here it comes again. Give. Eat. Just don't get too good. Eat again. Here we go again. Give. Give. Hey, don't go. Give me a fen to study. Stroking cats, stroking cats, stroking cats, stroking cats, stroking cats, stroking cats. Why is his ear missing a corner?